The season started off in wind.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got a jump that we have in mind. What happened is we had a big windstorm, like 100-kilometer-hour winds in the Alpine, so everything's pooched. Now we have to stay in the trees, so we're gonna go up Seagrams. We got a couple things in mind that hopefully will work. Yeah, our momentum changer was in Seagrams when you got your perfect front up 10 in the sniper landing.
That was a good day. That was one of the cleanest ones I've ever done. Where all the kids belong. Heaven's not far from this beating heart. Build a fire like the love song, fire like the love song. Where all the kids belong. Heaven's not far from this beating heart. Build a fire like the love song, fire like the love song. Where all the kids belong.
Lucky winner!
I get the honor and the privilege of going first and being a dummy.
I can already say though, like, the snow's probably pooped right now. Some days were like sleeper surprisingly good days. Like that day that you got your cab dub 9, it was raining in the village.
It was raining hard.
We're like, should we do this? We're soaking wet already.
100% could not see anything.
Oh.
I think I closed my eyes and just, oh, hello.
That's a good way to do it.
Yeah.
I saw that going differently.
One time, Vanessa unloading. No more paint. Our filmer, Vanessa, was learning how to sled, so that's wasn't a struggle, but that's like a milestone that everybody has to go through.
Yeah, it's always a tough season, like when you're learning.
Yeah.
It takes like years.
For sure.
To be competent, and the first season you always like decide, do I like really want to get myself involved in this?
It was good to see her progress.
It's progressed so much, my God.
That was awesome. Speaking of seasons of first, it was the first time our filmer, editor Ryan Kenny joined with us and hit a jump.
This is my first backcountry jump. When you grow up, you want to become a pro snowboarder. You don't grow up being like, yeah, I'm gonna film pro. You know, you're like, I want to be one of those guys. And then when you watch yourself on film and finally realize that you suck, you're like, maybe I should just hold the camera and get good at that. How fast do you think you need to come into this thing?
Ludicrous speed.
No, not ludicrous.
Ooh, you're going first.
I knew I would too for some reason. No. Heart's pumping.
I think that speed was good.
Okay.
How'd it feel?
It felt almost maybe a tiny bit slow.
Oh, okay.
Like just
I am so excited to be at the bottom after his first hit. Just to hear what he thinks of it.
3, 2.
Exciting. Shit! I just want to straight air this, but
but I'm not gonna straight air this. Landing. Right there and land.
2.
It's harder than it looks.
I
Hey?
just don't want to stop. Jeff's gonna have to find a new filmer.
No more giving in. Born ready, I'm here to win. You can't tell me what we know ain't true. Step down, back up, honey, I can't lose. I'm ready, I'm gon' get it. Nobody hold me down. I'm ready, I'm gon' get it. Nothing gon' stop me now. Nothing gon' stop me now.
Still fast.
That really fast jump.
It was fast.
Yeah, that was.
It was a you don't want to fall jump.
Yeah, that's a wild one to try front end on. I always like the ones that kind of like pop you
Oh,
up
yeah.
rather than like throw you out there.
It was definitely a throw you out there, and I was
Yeah.
like, you know what? It's the end of the season.
Yeah.
What have I got to lose?
Yeah, exactly. You're pretty stoked with your bike?
I'm super stoked with my part. I think it might be my favorite one I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. It just has to all line up, and that's the crazy thing about snowboarding. Such a good crew this year.
Yeah,
So many good times.
Dude, I smoke 2 at a time sometimes, just 2 eagles on each side. Like, I like the double eagle. He's running around his
We're gonna
house.
put this in the web series too.
Oh, jeez. I am kidding. I'm just kidding. I got it.
This is quite the Insta story.